My name's Keshari, and I came from Brooklyn, New York to be here in Oregon for this internship. I serve as an Ayurvedic practitioner, but before coming here I also worked as a manager for a couple of yoga studios in Brooklyn. When I found out about the internship's existence in February, I was thrilled because it really felt like a dream come true and a dream that I hadn't been able to articulate for myself yet. And I had been aware of Tyler, our director here, and his work for some years after meeting him at an Ayurvedic conference in India. And it was from him that I first heard the phrase Bioregional Ayurveda, and it spoke immediately to the depths of my heart. I have a lot of concern over the sustainability of Ayurveda, the way that it tends to be practiced in the West, and I have concern over just continuing to extract natural resources from India, from the land of origin of Ayurveda, without a greater sense of reciprocity and responsibility as stewards of this earth. This internship basically represented an opportunity, a really rare and valuable opportunity to engage in the practice of bioregional Ayurveda with the community of people that I had really come to trust over the years and admire. And I was so excited when it seemed like it would still happen despite COVID. I think especially with COVID's arrival and the other pandemics of social injustice that are occurring simultaneously, it's felt not only desirable but necessary for me to center Ayurveda in my life again as a professional and just be of the best service possible to my communities back home. And I'm just so thrilled to have learned so much here that I feel can be transported and shared back home in a way that's relevant to that community. I had really high expectations coming in, and I also had extreme confidence that those expectations would at least be met. And as it turns out, those expectations were far exceeded. And I was hoping to learn not just from the official faculty and the farm team, who have all been so wonderful and generous with their experience and their wisdom, but also from my housemates, my fellow interns. And they have showed up in such incredible, inspiring ways, so I'm very grateful for that. I've gone through such a growth spurt while here, and there's so much work to be done, of course, and so much more for me to unlearn and for me to learn. But I feel like I'm so much more rooted in this work for wellness than ever before because of the opportunities that we were presented with here.